Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge AC in your Honda Ridgeline. First, gather your AC recharge kit, safety glasses, and gloves. Always prioritize safety when working under the hood. Next, locate the low-pressure service port, usually marked with an L cap. Start your engine, turn on the AC to its coldest setting, and set the fan to high. This prepares the system for the recharge process. Now, let's connect the recharge kit. First, clean the low-pressure port to ensure a good seal. Shake the refrigerant can thoroughly for about 1 minute to mix the contents. Then, firmly attach the quick connect fitting from the recharge hose to the low-pressure service port. You should hear a click, indicating it's properly seated. Make sure the connection is secure to prevent any leaks during the process. With the kit connected, it's time to add refrigerant. Hold the can upright and squeeze the trigger in short, 5 to 10 second bursts. Between bursts, check the pressure gauge on the kit. This gauge helps you monitor the system's pressure and prevents overfilling, which can damage your AC. Continue this process until the gauge indicates the pressure is within the recommended range for your vehicle. Once the pressure is correct, quickly disconnect the recharge hose from the low-pressure port and replace the cap. Test your AC system to confirm it's now blowing cold air. Remember, regular AC maintenance can extend the life of your system. For more tips and to find great deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the description below. It's a fantastic way to enjoy your favorite books anywhere, anytime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.